Hi guys, this is Chika with Borrowed Delights, and today I am sharing a simple how-to video. This is how to freeze ripe bananas. That's right, do not throw out those super brown, soft bananas. Also, do not let them continue to sit on your counter and develop fruit flies because you don't know what to do with them or because you're waiting to throw them in the garbage. Freeze them. It is so easy. Literally, all you're going to do is peel your bananas and place them onto a parchment lined plate. Stick this into the freezer until the bananas are frozen solid, and then just transfer them into a Ziploc bag and stick it back in the freezer until you're ready to use them. And you can use the frozen bananas straight from the freezer to make your smoothies. And for your baked goods, you can just simply take out the quantity that you need for the recipe and allow it to sit on the counter for a few minutes to thaw, and then you're good to go. So I hope you guys will use this instructional video the next time that you have super ripe bananas. The riper they are, the better they are, and there's no need for them to go in the garbage. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.